This is a Kubota L285 diesel tractor that has an adjustable front end to make the tires wider. This tractor has some worn tie rod ends, and unfortunately Kubota no longer makes the tie rod for the right side. Here's a solution we've come up with to replace the worn right side tie rod. The tie rod initially has a long rod, you can see here it's blue, which is welded to the end of the tie rod. Our solution was to cut off the worn end to make a coupling adapter, and then to screw on a replacement left side tie rod end, which is still made. Here's a look at the coupler. It's been tapped and threaded with an M16 by 1.5 thread. The coupler is welded on the other end to the standard remaining tie rod end. Now we'll simply assemble the new tie rod end into the coupler. We now have the tie rod end assembled to the coupler, and we have essentially the same part. We can see the new tie rod end all installed, and now we can make some hay.